welcome to this video where I'll show you how to play on guitar harmonica 8 bars from Bob Dylan Blowing in the Wind. I played this song in the key of C with a C-turning harmonica. I play in first position. For the guitar you will need only 3 chords, a C major, a G major and a F major. Also I do use kind of bare chords. I give you here some more common positions. So we have a C major, a G major, and a F major, which is a bare chord. Concerning the guitar rhythm, you can play a simple 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 end. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But just like in most of the songs, you have then the freedom to make all the 8-note rhythm variations you want. One more thing. With my feet I use a shaker on the tambourine. On beat 1 and 3 I use the shaker. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on beat 2 and 4 I use the tambourine. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I melt the two, it gives 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last thing. Before you try to play guitar and harmonica together, you really should be able to play them separately. And even if the video goes fast, it's up to you to take time to work every step. Okay, so now we have our first 2 measures. On the first line, the small red numbers 1 and 2 indicate the numbers of the measure. On the second line, C, F, G, C indicate the guitar chord's name. The third line, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 end, indicate the rhythm reference. The last line, beginning with a 6, concerns the harmonica. The simple numbers indicate a blow note, and the underscored numbers indicate a draw note. Okay, so on measure 1 for the guitar, we have a C and a F. On measure 2, we have a G and a C. For the harmonica, on measure 1, on beat 1 we have a 6 blow, on beat 2 we have a 6 blow, on 2 end we have a 6 blow, on beat 3 we have a 6 draw, on beat 4 we have a 6 draw, on 4 end we have a 6 blow, and for measure 2, on beat 1 we have a 6 blow, on beat 2 we have a 5 blow, on 2 end we have a 4 draw, on beat 3 we have a 4 blow. And the last surrounded note, we don't play it now. Okay, so let's play measure 1 and 2. Okay, so let's go to measure 3 and 4. On measure 3, for the guitar, we have a C and a F. And on measure 4, we have a C. For the harmonica, we begin with our 5 blow from measure 2, and then on measure 3, we have on beat 1, we have a 6 blow. On 2 end, we have a 6 blow. On beat 3, we have a 6 draw. On beat 4, we have a 6 blow. On 4 end, we have a 5 draw, and on measure 4, on beat 1, we have a 6 blow. Okay, so let's play measure 3 and 4. Okay, so let's play measure 1 to 4. Okay, so let's go to measure 5 and 6. Measure 5 and 6 are exactly the same for both guitar and harmonica as measure 1 and 2, and it still sounds like this. Okay, so let's go to measure 7 and 8. On measure 7, for the guitar, we have a C and a F, and on measure 8, we have a G. And for the harmonica, we begin with our 5 blow from measure 6, and then on measure 7, on beat 1, we have a 6 blow, on 2 end, we have a 5 blow, on beat 3, we have a 5 draw, on beat 4, we have a 5 blow, on 4 end, we have a 5 blow, on measure 8, on beat 1, we have a 4 draw. Okay, so let's play measure 5 to 8. Okay, so let's play measure 1 to 8. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon for another one.